guys, I'm Deja. Welcome to my channel where I bring you guys along with me on my journey to lose weight. If you are new to my channel, welcome, but if not, you know I recently hired a personal trainer just to introduce myself to new workouts. In this video, we're going to be working out outside, so if you guys want to follow me on my journey, make sure you keep on watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now in this video, she made me do 3 sets of everything, so I had to run up and down the bleachers, the entire bleachers 3 times. And if it was a certain workout, she made me do 3 sets of 12 of each workout. I was just focusing on not falling when running up and down these bleachers. That was my main concern. I was so scared running up and down the bleachers.
And squat. Squeeze your butt. Come on, Dave. Over. Squat. There you go. Go back. Good. Oh, drop your chest. I want your chest before. So if I'm squatting, I don't want to be here in this position. I want to be squatting, squeezing.
So if you know me personally, I hate squats. I've always been avoiding squats. I feel as though I have a nice size butt, so squats is something that I don't have to do, but apparently I'm wrong. It seems like every time I work out with her, she had me do squats, so I'm definitely going to have to get used to doing squats.
Go, 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 go. Good, 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 Deja. Good. Good job. That's
Hold on, wait. Let me fix my wig and myself, because I'm so tired of everybody talking about some, hold on. Everybody saying she big. Look at her trying to run. She can't run. Now who can't run? Now who can't run? Who can't run?
running like man, I forget out.
You kind of are. Kind of are.
What the hell is that?
You missed the whole box. It's okay. Take a breathe. Come on, Deja. Good.
Did I miss the box?
Yes. No, I'm just kidding. You didn't miss the box. You was concentrating on that box, right? Good, Deja. Come on, let's go, let's go. Arms all the way up.
Miss one. Miss two.
My mom told me to tell you to mind your damn motherfucking business, bitch. Little stupid bitch.
I am stressed, Deja. Go, Deja, go. Come on, Deja.
I'm not the best.
Go. Good, Deja, good. I see that. Okay. Go. Good job. Good job, big girl.
So I felt really stupid doing this, but I actually felt it in my arm. She just said she wanted to do something that would work my arms out, and I definitely felt the burn in my arms. So we ended the workout with stretching, just stretching my body out. We also started with stretches, but I didn't get that on camera for you guys. So just make sure you stretch before and after your workout. It definitely helps with recovery.
You can get lower than that.
Stretch it out. Work your whole bicuspid area, your whole bilaterals and bisexuals. Very good.